We're used to radiation being invisible. With a Geiger counter, it gets turned into audible clicks. What you see below, though, is radiation's effects made visible in a cloud chamber. In the center hangs a chunk of radioactive uranium spitting out alpha and beta particles. Whoa.
Yeah. This is interesting to me because the Geiger counter is what you hear with that really, like that sound is just really specific. That, and then to actually see it.
Go ahead, Will.
And be able to, I guess, measure it, like it kind of makes sense. It's just kind of like exploding.
Yeah,
this,
it's
the particles are.
It's amazingly symmetrical. Like it's firing in all directions simultaneously. This radiation from this uranium. So, like, if you were to think about an exposure, right, and then trying to figure out the radius of that exposure.
Yeah.
Like this is a visualization of such. I mean, it's a tiny version of it.
And just bringing the Geiger counter closer is just like more ticks, I guess.
That's right.
How volatile it is.
Stabbed with helium nucleus in case of alpha radiation, electrons positions in case of beta radiation, photons higher in frequency and energy than visible light in case of gamma radiation. Alpha is stopped by upper layers of your skin, but not the case if you ingest it. Beta is stopped by an aluminum sheet, and gamma is stopped by something like a meter of water, thick layer of lead or concrete. When I worked with radioactive trackers, we were using beta sources to dilute the high concentration source. We shielded ourselves behind a stack of lead ingots. Still, as it was not a real wall, the Geiger counter made a beautiful noise 3 meters away from the source. I'm scared of, this is scary, Will.
And you can't see it.
Nuclear exposure. Yeah.
Yes. Scary stuff.